Adding subtitles automatically in HeyGen is a fantastic way to boost your video's accessibility and viewer engagement, and the process is really straightforward. After you have created your AI avatar video and finalized your script, head over to the editing screen where you can see your video timeline and settings. Look for the subtitles or captions tab in the menu. HeyGen uses advanced search speech to text technology to generate subtitles directly from the audio in your video. To get started, simply turn on your subtitle feature or click the Auto Generate Subtitles button. HeyGen will then analyze your video's audio and create a subtitle track that is timed perfectly with the speech. The subtitle generation usually only takes a few seconds. Once it's done, you should review the subtitles carefully to catch any errors or misheard words. HeyGen makes it easy to edit the text right there in the interface, so you can fix typos or adjust phrasing to improve clarity. You can also customize the appearance of your subtitles, change the font style, size, color, and background transparency to match your branding or video style. Plus, you can adjust the subtitle position on the screen so it doesn't block important visuals. When you're satisfied with your subtitles, just export the video. The subtitles will be embedded, making it easy for viewers to follow along whether they are watching with sound or muted, which is especially helpful on social media platforms. If you want to learn how to add subtitles in different languages or use HeyGen's subtitle features to create multilingual videos, be sure to hit like and follow and drop your questions below.